Hello everyone. We were talking about leadership so far. In the post-COVID-19 pandemic, leadership is going to be very critical than any other time. Right leaders at the right positions, taking the right decisions in producing right results. In doing so, leaders have to be purposeful, passionate, and pragmatic. They need to work with a clear purpose and they need to demonstrate their passion and they need to be very practical in their actions. So let me dwell upon the passion factor, your heart into action. There's a definite plus side, but you need to be little careful. So let me warn you about passion. I came across this wonderful, insightful thought from revered Hindu text, Upanishad. It talks about two types of passions, Nishkam Karma and Sakam Karma. So what is Nishkam Karma? Detached involvement. Sakam Karma, attached involvement. So in Sakam Karma, you greedily get attached. You are connected. You are fully engrossed and you don't want to leave. You don't want to let go. You don't want to give the authority to others. You don't want to empower others. You don't delegate. You do on your own. You are at the helm and you want to do everything on your own, which will limit your growth, which will limit your expansion. In contrast, Nishkam Karma talks about detached involvement. You are detached. You are willing to let go. You are willing to leave at any moment. But at the same time, as far as you are there, you give your fullest. You are delightedly devoting your time, your energy, your resources in order to achieve the best possible results. So that's the mindset business leaders need to have. That's the mindset political leaders to have. So there's a nice statement in France. If you are invited for a party, you should not wait till the host say, "Thank you, the party is over, you can go now." No, you should know when to leave the party. That is where the detachment comes. All great religions talk about attachment. Attachment brings sorrow. So you got to detach. That needs emotional maturity. That needs spiritual upbringing. That needs to have right set of values. You need to have those core values within. And those values should be demonstrated in producing the economic value. That's why I always say you have to produce value by practicing values. That is the new leadership required in post-COVID-19 pandemic. You got to be people-centric, as I mentioned, and so many leaders have already started demonstrating, achieving results collectively, as we discussed, by connecting with people, communicating with people, collaborating with people. But remember, there's a time that you need to let go. Let them produce results. Show your great leadership by developing a great team, empowering them, delegating, and they will do the needful. And you need to know when to leave. And I realized this being the leader of the largest state sector postgraduate entity for the past 6 years. Detached involvement, giving your best but willing to step down any moment if that is a requirement. After all, at the end of the day, we all have to leave all these things. Keep that in the back of your mind in showing passion in action. Refresh, reflect, and relate. All the best.